शुक्रारा आंतरराष्ट्रीय बस स्टँडा खातीर मांडवी पुला लागसार आशिल्ल्या सुवातेची मंत्री भाविन कुदिनो हांणी पळोवणी केली। अटल सेतूचें काम सुरू आशिल्ल्यान आंतरराष्ट्रीय बस स्टँड पाट्यार स्थलांतरीत केल्लो, पूण अटल सेतूचें काम पुराय जाल्ल्यान पयलींच्या सुवातेर आंतरराष्ट्रीय बस स्टँड बांदतले। भाड्यान घेतिल्ल्या जमनीचेर आधुनीक बस स्टँड बांदपाची इत्सा आशिल्ल्यान 3 ते 4 सप्तकां भितर स्थलांतर करपाची येवजण आसा अशेंय मंत्री कुदिनो हांणी ह्या वेळार सांगलें।
Inspection, we are trying to, as you have seen, the interstate bus terminal, it is all in muck. People are facing great difficulty. And adi to bus stand inga astalo, where private buses fly. So we are now trying to get them here. We want to do it on a war footing as soon as possible. Within less than a month, in fact, within 3 weeks, we want to shift that bus stand from there here. It is causing a lot of congestion also there. You see, full traffic blocks jata. So we will use this space because previously, when the bridge work was going on, they were shifted there on a temporary basis. So we are getting them back here after creating little infrastructure, what is necessary. So we will do it in less than, means within 3 to 4 weeks.
Okay,
Yeah.
you are shifting that Karnataka, Maharashtra or the Mumbai and all
So all the
Yeah,
private buses, all the
rich
private
classes.
buses, yeah,
the
yeah,
rich classes.
yeah, yeah.
Because the space is huge compared to this.
No, that space is huge.
Yeah.
That space we want to build a modern bus stand
Okay.
under PPP basis,
Okay.
which also the work is going on.
Okay.
We are going ahead with that as well. With one of the top companies, we are discussing, drawing up plans, and then we will be inviting the tenders.
Standard.
Yeah,
So here's a feasibility study will be done for.
yeah, yeah.
When you're going
Yes,
to
yes. So
accommodate.
because we don't want to stall that, we are getting the other people here, and this place is available now. It's a waste of place, and
Yeah.
you don't have to do much work here. You've seen everything
Bays
is
are there.
concreted. It is starred. People will not have to walk through the mark. All that we have seen, and that's why we'll do it accordingly.
केन्ना जातले तो शिवसेनेन
फाल्यांसून क्लिनिंग स्टार्ट जातले, ते 3 दिसान क्लिनिंग जातले, ते उपरांत 1 विकान सुमार we will float the tenders for fencing, short tenders as well. It's a very small estimate, it's not a very big estimate.